If you want to keep your garden in perfect shape, having the right tools makes all the difference. Since the market is flooded with countless options, you can get confused pretty easily. That's why we've handpicked 7 essential gardening tools that'll make your job way easier than before. So, the first tool we have today is the Sunseeker grass trimmer. If you've struggled with a heavy, loud gas trimmer and ended the day with sore arms, you're not alone. And that's actually what got us searching for something better. So we have this 60-volt commercial series grass trimmer and brush cutter from Sunseeker. If we start talking about the tool itself, you'll see it comes with a 2-in-1 setup, meaning you can switch between a string trimmer and a brush cutter easily. We've been using the CBC7910P model, which gave us the flexibility to roam around anywhere we wanted and do some trimming. Talking about the goods, this tool weighs around 10.4 pounds, so you might be worried about your long cleanup jobs. Don't be, because the trimmer balances its weight concern with a well-balanced design. The adjustable front handle lets you tweak the grip based on your height or preference, and the soft grip adds comfort for longer sessions. Plus, with its IPX4 weatherproof rating, a little splash of water won't be something to worry about. Now for the power and performance, this trimmer runs on a 2 kilowatt brushless motor that packs the same strength as a 50cc gas trimmer. We tested it in a tough, overgrown 40 by 40 foot lot filled with weeds and saplings, and honestly, it didn't slow down once. However, it's got a 16.5-inch cutting swath with a 0.095-inch line, and when switched to the 10-inch brush cutter blade, it handled the heavier stuff like a champ. You can also switch between 2 speed modes, depending on the size and amount of the grass. Meanwhile, there's a smart airflow system that keeps the motor cool during long runs, and you'll also have this digital display that shows speed, battery, and alerts. So, if we say it in short, this Sunseeker grass trimmer will remove all your hassle while tackling those stubborn, overgrown grasses in your yard. Now, here comes the RYOBI 18-volt garden cultivator. This compact yet powerful cultivator is designed to prepare your garden beds for planting, reseeding, and even mixing fertilizer into the soil. It uses specially designed pick tines that dig deep into the ground, breaking apart compacted soil so water and nutrients can flow freely to plant roots. Powered by an 18-volt brushed motor, it offers 3 speed settings: 200, 250, and 340 RPM, so that you can adjust based on the type of soil you're working with. The worm drive gearbox delivers high torque for tough jobs, so even harder soil types aren't a problem. One of its most practical features is the adjustable width, which can go from 200 millimeters down to 110 millimeters without tools, making it perfect for different garden bed sizes and for avoiding damage to plants nearby. At only 4.8 kilograms, it's lightweight enough for long use without fatigue. And its pivoting guard makes cleaning out dirt or debris quick and simple. This makes it an excellent starter tool for boosting flower bed beauty or vegetable harvests. Once your soil is loosened and ready, the next step often involves dealing with overgrown branches and plant maintenance. That's where the Milwaukee M18 brushless telescoping pole pruning shears come in. These shears are built for efficiency, giving you clean and precise bypass cuts on branches up to 1 3/4 inches thick. They're designed to cut down on the physical strain of manual pruning, reducing peak muscle effort by as much as 80%, while also working up to 3 times faster. The telescoping pole extends from 7 to 10 feet, so you can reach tall or hard-to-access branches without dragging out a ladder. The brushless motor not only ensures long-lasting performance, but also helps make each cut clean and consistent. When paired with the M18 Red Lithium X C6.0 battery, these shears can handle up to 2,000 cuts on 1-inch branches before a recharge is needed. After pruning, you'll need a way to deal with all the loose leaves and twigs scattered around, and that's where the STIHL BGA 300 cordless blower comes into play. This is a high-performance blower that manages to combine serious blowing power with reduced noise levels thanks to STIHL's innovative noise reduction system. It delivers a strong blowing force of up to 25 newtons and can push air at a maximum speed of 86 meters per second, making it great for clearing everything from damp leaves to heavier garden debris. It features 3 power levels, allowing you to adjust based on the task, and it also has a boost mode that stays active for the full battery runtime. The blower tube adjusts easily for different working angles, and the ergonomic backpack design distributes the weight evenly for comfort during longer sessions. Powered by the AR3000L battery, it delivers up to 1,520 watt-hours of runtime and is fully weatherproof, so you can use it year-round without worry. When you want to shape hedges and keep them looking sharp, the EGO HDX5 310-P commercial 21-inch extended pole hedge trimmer is the tool for the job. Built with heavy-duty professional use in mind, it features a carbon fiber shaft that's both strong and lightweight, along with a 1,000-watt high-performance brushless motor that rivals the power of a 25 cubic centimeter gas engine. The 21-inch laser-cut, dual-action hardened steel blades give you clean cuts and can be sharpened as needed, ensuring they last a long time. The extended pole design allows you to reach tall hedges without strain, and the aluminum gearbox provides durability even under heavy workloads. It's compatible with all EGO 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, and when paired with a 2.5 amp-hour battery, it offers up to 75 minutes of continuous trimming on low speed. For landscapers or homeowners with large properties, this trimmer delivers precision, power, and reliability without the hassle of gas. For more targeted pruning work, especially in orchards or vineyards where precision is key, the Makita UP100D cordless pruning shears provide excellent control in a compact form. Powered by a 12-volt max CXT Li-ion battery, they're designed for smooth operation with a blade control system that works directly with the trigger for more accurate cuts. You can electronically adjust the blade opening angle and overlap to suit the type of plant or branch you're cutting, which helps improve both speed and safety. The battery mounts directly on the tool, making it lighter and more maneuverable compared to designs with a separate battery pack. This makes it perfect for longer pruning sessions where comfort and precision are equally important. Finally, after all the cutting and trimming, you'll likely have a pile of garden waste that needs to be processed, and that's where the Bosch AXT 25D shredder really proves its worth. This powerful shredder uses a brushless 2,500 watt induction motor paired with a high torque drum cutter to break down branches up to 40 millimeter thick. It doesn't just cut, they're crushed into smaller, nutrient-rich pieces perfect for composting, giving you a way to recycle garden waste back into your soil. The automated fast feed hopper can take in large amounts of material quickly and safely, while the large 53-liter collection box means fewer trips to empty it out. Even with its strong cutting power, it runs quietly, making it more pleasant to use in residential areas. When not in use, the detachable hopper reduces its height to just 67 centimeters, so you can get easy storage facilities. So these are the 7 essential gardening tools we picked for you, and we're pretty much sure you have got your favorite one. So, which tool are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tool reviews. Thanks for watching.